Hi everyone, and welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to turn on Ringer on iPhone 11. If your phone isn't ringing when you receive calls, this tutorial will walk you through several methods to fix the issue and ensure your Ringer is working properly. Let's get started. Method 1. Turn on the Ringer. Using the side switch. Step 1. Locate the side switch on the left side of your iPhone. This is the small switch above the volume buttons. Step 2. If the switch shows red, it means your phone is in silent mode. In this mode, your iPhone won't ring for calls or notifications. Step 3. Push the switch up to turn off silent mode. The red indicator should no longer be visible. Step 4. Your iPhone will now ring when you receive calls. Test it by having someone call you or by checking the Ringer volume. Method 2. Check focus and do not disturb settings. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is where you'll find all the options to customize your device. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Focus. This section manages modes like Do Not Disturb, which can silence your Ringer. Step 3. Check if Do Not Disturb is turned on. If it is, your phone won't ring for calls or notifications. Step 4. Swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the Control Center. Step 5. Tap the moon icon to turn off Do Not Disturb mode. This will ensure your Ringer is no longer silenced. Step 6. Your iPhone should now ring when you receive calls. Test it to confirm the Ringer is working. Method 3. Adjust Ringer volume in Settings. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap on Sounds and Haptics. This section controls all sound settings on your device. Step 3. Under the Ringer and Alerts section, adjust the volume slider to increase the Ringer volume. Slide it to the right for louder volume. Step 4. Ensure the volume is set to a level where you can hear the Ringer. Test it by having someone call you or by playing a sample ringtone. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.